Alright, Abby just got a new toy. He's about to attack Laser.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Make him do circles. It's like a dog. Make him go up the wall, Tyler. Not that wall. It's a computer. Make him go up like the bookcase. Alright, hold on.
What just happened?
What was that?
Did you record it?
Yeah!
What just
I
happened?
don't know.
Avi.
Here, do it again. Put it on the thing
Ah,
again.
he's not gonna do it again. He's like,
Yeah, he will.
Avi, what happened?
That was freaking
he's waiting
weird.
For it to come down now.
No, put it back up really fast.
No, you gotta put it on the floor, get it in sight, and then run it up the wall, and he'll chase it. Where is it?
Come on, I don't know how long this is going to record. It's flashing. I think it's about to stop. He's so funny. He's got a BFF shirt on. What's going on, Abby? Alright, I'm turning it off.